Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design accounting and tax service website using WordPress. So if this is the first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you get notified. So we are going to design accounting and tax service website without writing any code. So this is the sample of the website we are going to design by the end of this video. So let me refresh it so that you can see. By the end of this video, you'll be able to design exactly this particular website. So all you have to do is get the images of your own business or brand ready, and the write-up for your businesses, get it ready, because I'm going to show you how you can replace everything in this website, personalize it, and it will show your image, show your company image, show your business and brands, services. So you can see everything here, you can change it. So I'm going to show you how you can personalize this particular website. So as you can see, very professional looking website. This is accounting website and tax services. So you can also use it for any financial service website. It mustn't be accounting website. You can also use it for any tax, any service related website or businesses. So you can see this is a very professional website. This particular website will turn your visitors into buyers, into customers. So you can see it's very professional looking website. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need a WordPress. WordPress, because the purpose of this video is how you can design this particular thing using WordPress. And WordPress is a content management system that will help us design this particular website without writing code. So if you don't have WordPress installed, I will put a link in the description that will show you a video on how to create your website and install WordPress. So, but if you have your WordPress installed, then let's proceed with this particular video. So now the first thing you need is, once you come to a WordPress dashboard, by default, this is how our website looks like by default. So maybe during your WordPress installation, you choose another theme, see another different theme. So, but in my own case, this is the default installation. So now we need a theme that will match the design that we want to do right now. So you click on appearance, click on themes, then you click on add theme. So once you click on add theme, then we are going to install this particular plugin called Elementor. So you install it. If you didn't see it here, just search for it here, and you find it. Install, activate. So once you are done, refresh the home page, you see changes. So this particular theme is what we are going to use. Then the next thing we are going to do is we have to install some plugins. So in this case, we need 2 plugins. So by default, you are going to see Lightspeed Cache depending on the hosting platform you are using. So you can leave it. This help in your high speed performance of your website. So now let's install the plugin that we need for this particular web design. So we need, the first one is Elementor. This is the first plugin that we need. Elementor is the first plugin that we need. So see it here, you install it. So once you are done, the next plugin we need is a template kit import. Template kit import. This is the second thing that we need. Template kit import. So you scroll down, you can see the template kit import. See it here. So we install it. Previously, it's supposed to appear at the top. So, but other template had performed it. So once you are done installing these 2 themes, just come back to install theme, then bulk activate it. Just mark it here, click on activate, apply. And once you click on apply, we have activated this particular template, this particular plugins. So the next thing that we need to do now is we need to create pages. To now come to pages here, all pages. Once you click on all pages, by default we have a sample page, so you trash this sample page. So this is your privacy policy page. So once you publish it, then once you edit it, then you publish. Then let me create the home page. So click on create page. So in this particular video, I'm going to only work on one page. So the way I used to design this particular home page is what you're going to do. Design other pages like your service page, your team page, your about us page, contact us page. So design it. All those things will be in this particular template that I will show you. Once you write home, then here now, this particular page, they wrote default template. You have to change it to Elementor full width or canvas. So I used Elementor full width. Then you publish. So once you are done publishing, then you go back. Then we need to make this particular home page the first page of our website. So in order for us to do that, come down here to setting, click on reading. Then you see this place, the row static page. Click on it, then you select the home page, save the changes. So once we come back to pages, you're going to see that this home is written front page. If we refresh, that is by default. So sorry, this was the website I worked on earlier, so that's why it changed. So but let me work on it. So by default it will be our front page. So now the next thing we are going to do is you come to this particular tools, then you are going to see template kit. You click on it, then we are going to import that particular template. So once we import it, it will override this particular green you are seeing over here. So to override it, so that's what happened over there. So this happened, maybe you are working on, you had a template, because this is not a new WordPress installation. That is why you saw that it's not a new WordPress installation. If you had a new WordPress installation, you're not going to see that that particular background. But this is a new WordPress. This is not a new WordPress installation. This is a tutorial website, tutorial page. So I was working on a video previously, then I started working on this video. So now click on here. Let me import the template. So once you click here, then the template is so now it is processing. So it's either you click here or here to upload it. So it's processing. So it's processing. It won't take time, then it will be done. Everything will be live. So like I was saying, you have a fresh WordPress installation. You're not going to see what you saw in the home page. So now once you are done, you can see everything is imported. So this is the newsletter, this is the header, this is the footer, contact us page. The way we used to redesign this particular home page, that is how we are going to use to design this contact us. And booking page, testimony page, blog page, FAQ page, case study page, pricing page. Just work on all of them. So you are going to, when you come to this particular place, you are going to create those pages, all of them, then you work on it separately. So once you are done, you click on import global style kit. So once we are done importing this global style, let me check if this particular thing will. You can see now, because the previous style kit of the style kit of the previous website I worked on was on this particular website. That is the reason why. So now I have imported the new style kit, so it will override the previous style kit. Because without you installing this particular style kit, you are not going to achieve the desired result on this particular template. So that is why it's necessary to import the global style kit. So the next thing is you have to install this particular 3 requirement. So you must install it. If you didn't install it, you're not going to get a desired result. So to install, by default you install them. So you can see there is no more error. So there is no more error. There is no more error. So now, for you to get this particular template, come to this particular page. I'll put the link to this particular page in the description. So I'll put the link to this particular page in this video description. So hurry up now and get this template so that you follow up this particular video. You can get these templates for practice purposes. So it mustn't be that you have a, you can get this particular template to just learn how you can be able to achieve this particular result, to see if you too can do what, can recreate what I just did. So you can pay with Google Pay. If you're using Apple devices, it will pop up Apple Pay. Once your payment is successful, you're going to get email of this particular template, and you download it from your email, and also you are going to be redirected to a page to download it too. So you can always have it in your email anytime you want. You are not going to pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay. You want to pay with your credit or debit card, click on Add to Cart. So once you click on Add to Cart, then the next thing you're going to do is you click on Proceed to Checkout. Click on Proceed to Checkout. So once you land on this particular page, you enter your first name, last name, country, email address, and enter your card details. So this particular payment gateway is secured by Stripe, the most trusted payment gateway in the whole world. So now you click on, once you enter your card, credit or debit card details here, click on Buy Now. Once you click on Buy Now and your payment is successful, you're going to get this particular a page to download this particular template, and also you're going to get it sent to your email. You always have it in your email to download it anytime you want. So once you download it successfully, you come back to this particular page, click here and upload it just like the way I did. Or you can also come back here, click here to upload it. So once we are done uploading, then it's time for us to design the website. So the first thing we are going to do is to design the header and footer of our website. By default, this is the header and this is the footer of our website. So let's change it and make it look professional. You come to this place, element kit, click on header footer. So once you click on header footer, click on add new template. Write it header. So once you write its header, you can write it any name, but the most important thing is this type must be header. So now you click on activate, save changes, then you click on edit content. Once you click on it, we automatically do what? Start loading Elementor. Elementor is the development tool that we are going to use to redesign the template. So once Elementor is loaded, the first place we are going to click is here. Even though it's loading here, it's still loading. So you click on this particular Elementor element. Once you click on it, then you click on View Installed Kit. So once you click on View Installed Kit, the next thing is you find header. So you see it here. Click on Insert Header. So just import it. So it's importing now. So as you can see, the header has been imported successfully. Because of network, the header didn't import together with the background. So let me import it and see the issue. Import again. So the same issue. So you can fix this particular error. So let's first of all add the footer, then we can come and fix this particular place is where your menu will be. So you click on it. I think I created a menu, so but the menu doesn't have any content in it. So Once you select your menu will appear here. Then this is the logo, so you can change this logo. So because the background is somehow the background image didn't appear, so let me just check style, background type, classic. Let me see if the image is here. So the background image is not here yet, so let me just choose a color. I want to show you something. You can see. So you can work on the background by yourself. So just click on publish. Then let's refresh our home page. You can see, so the header is here. So let me just, this particular header is giving us more issue. So, but don't need to panic. Don't need to panic. This is our work. So in case you encounter this type of error, this is what you are going to do. But I know in your case you may not encounter this error. You can see it's perfectly fine. So that is you need to learn how to design so you can fix some small minor errors. So that's it. So we are done. So this one, once we create once I add content to this menu, it will appear there. So once I go back now, I'll go and add content to the menu. So I'll come back down to appearance, menu. I already have my main menu, so I'll add this home page to my main menu. I have my main menu. So in your own case, you can create menu. Just let's refresh. You can see home is here. So if you have other menus like service page, contact us page, and any other pages, all of them will appear here. So the more the more pages you have and add here, the more it will expand. So you can see, very, very professional. So now let's go back and work on the footer. So come to Elementor, header, element kits, header footer. Then the next thing is add new. This one is footer. Like I said, you can write any name. Then you click on footer, entire website, save changes. So now then edit content. So you saw how I just fixed the header of this website. So I've been in this particular web design for a very long time, so I know how to fix small minor issues. So if you encounter such issue, drop it in the comment section. I'll tell you how to fix it or make a video specifically for you to fix it. So click on this, and this is the footer. See it here. So let's import the footer. The footer is importing. You can see the footer imported very, very well. So that header was, I know that is a small error that made it so. So this can change this particular connect. See, you can change it. I think the box here, this is, the typography they use here is what made this particular text. You see, source sample. So you see, the typography is what made that particular template to see. If I change it to spiral, it will change. So source sample is the typography. So now you can work on it. Like this particular page, let's change it to anything you want. Just change it here. This is where you can change it. This connect, this is where you can change it. See the content here. So you can change it over there. I think I touched it and somehow the spacing, lines, letter spacing, word spacing, you can just change it here. So Okay, so now you want to change here. This is your logo, so add your company logo here. Change this particular text. Then this is the social icon. Click on Instagram, paste your Instagram link here. Take for instance, if this our home page is your Instagram link, just copy it, paste it here. So the same way, click on Twitter, paste it here. So once anybody click on this, take them to your socials. If you want to edit all this page, you must have created all these pages. Once you have created all these pages, you copy link to each of them. Then, like this one, home page now, I just have the link of the home page, so I'll paste it. Then once you create about us page, paste the link of about us and the link to booking services and contact us. So this particular newsletter, you can see this particular newsletter form. Just go here and do what? Click on this edit so that you'll be able to create form. So once you create a form, it will appear here. So you need to create a form first, then it will start appearing here. So now let's publish this particular page, refresh. So you can see, let's connect, and it is showing here. So you can see that I changed something. That is why this connect was not looking fine the other place. So I changed the size, the typography size, data spacing. I changed it. So I changed it. Let me republish it and see. So you just walk around it. So let's connect. So you walk around it and make it the way you want it to be. So now, once you are done, then you go back. So now it's time for us to go to the home page. Click on all pages, then click on home, edit. So now it's time for us to work on our website home page, change other things in the home page. So now click on edit with Elementor. So now in this particular place, I'll show you how you can change the background. Maybe you want to change background colors. So I'll show you how you can change some background colors. So the page is loaded. So the next thing you are going to do is you click here, then view installed kit, and let's find our home page. So let's search for home page. So this is our home page. So now install the home page. So the home page has been installed successfully, so you can see. So now you can start editing this home page. Take for instance, this image is behind. So once you are going to do is here in this box, click edit container. So once you click on it, click on style. See, it's a slideshow. So just come to this slideshow, select, click here now. Click here, you can add any other, click here, add, then you can remove, you remove any of this and add your own. So add to gallery. Let's say I want to add this and this to gallery. I'll add it and remove this and this. So now click on insert gallery. This is how you can change it. To insert the gallery, it will pop up very soon. So it will pop up. That's how you can change the slideshow image of the the header. So as you can see, the slideshow is working already. So let's wait small. See that this first one is what is showing right now. So the first one is showing. See the second one now. So the image is changed. So that's how you can change the third one. See the third slideshow change. So now you can change here now. Explore services. Click on it. See where they wrote explore services, where you can post the link to the service page here. Then you can change this color. Just click on style. Anytime you want to change color of any text, button, or anything, just click on style of that particular box. Then see the background type and color here. Now just select any color. Same thing goes to this one. Once you click on this one, select the style, then you find the color. So this one is icon. So you have to find the background. So the background style, so you see it's blue, can change it. See, click on this particular place, change this text here. Now you click here, simple tax solution, or see. So anything I write there will automatically appear this particular place. So now this particular work experience, the countdown here, you can see this is 15. I can make it 19. So that's where you can change the countdown. Years of experience, click on it to change it here. So this partners over here, trusted by. So this particular place is also carousel images. So click here now. Now you go and get images, a logo of all your trusted partners. Once you get logos of your partners, you redesign it and change the logo color to white or any color you want, or brown, but make sure that the color you are going to use is something that will pop. Then you just come here, you click here, then click on add to gallery, then upload file. You select it from your device and it will upload. So once you upload it, then just like, let me assume, add to gallery. So this one will be added, you can see. Then you click on insert gallery. So all your partners will appear here. All your partners will appear here. So that's how you can change that particular section. Here now you just do the same, click anywhere and change text. So you get the idea. I don't need to change everything for you, so you know. This image, click on this image, change it. This one too, see it here, change it. So this learn more button, you click on it, put link to the page that explain more about this or this too. So you scroll down, then if you want to edit this particular image here, now click here, click on this particular style, see it. So see it, you can see it. So just change it. Let's find a new image from my gallery. Just for the sake of this video, let me just choose something. Let me just choose this one. No, let me choose this one. Select to change. See, you can see it just changed. So it just changed. See, let's wait a little so that all those articles on top of it will just come back. It will be back. So let's scroll down. Later we'll come back and see it. So you can change all these things. You can change all these things too. So this button icon, click on it. So this style is where you can change the color. Icon color, primary color. See, click on it. See, I changed it. So just change anything you want to change. Just come to the color and you change everything. So scroll down. Want to change this background color, you know where to change it here. Scroll down here, click here, then style, this background type, let's just change the background color. So this is how you can change background color of any other section. So just use that way to change background color of any other section. So the background have been changed. So that's how you can work on any other place. So this particular place now, if you want me to tell you how to create something like this from scratch, I'll show you how to do that in another video. But this particular is just simple flex box and some small editing, and you can have something like this. So want a clear video on how to create it from scratch, I will make it for you. So but here, for the sake of this video, just change the images here and text over here. So that's how you can get it, and change every other thing. Here now, just click here, you change the image, and here now the countdown also, click on it, see it here, change the countdown. And so that's how you change everything. And once you are done, you click on publish. So then once you've done publish, yeah, let's refresh our website, and you can see that everything, you can see that one we changed for all. So a lot of things we change will pop up here. You can see I wanted us to wait for the development to show this. You can see the text here, so just use the same way to change. So this particular place now is going to show a video, so I'll show you how to change. Just make a video, publish it on YouTube, copy the video link. Then once you copy the video link, come to this particular place. Let me see. Once you copy the video link, you click on it here. Then, sorry, don't play. You click on it, just click on it here now. You can see this place now, link. Paste the link to that YouTube video here and save it. So once people click on it, your video will play. That's how you can achieve that too. So you can see the background we changed. So you can make it suit your company needs. So you can see it very, very professional. Very, very professional. You can see it is on this our text website .yt. You can see it. If you want to change the color of this particular things here, so let me show you, because most of you want to change the color to make it more personal. Here now, see the click here now, style, background is blue, change it to any color you want. So you change that particular section, come to this section, style, background is blue, change it. So you can see it. Now you come to this main background, click on style background type, change it to, then change it to, so that's how you can change almost every color here. Come over here, you come here, change the back, see, that's how you can change the background of all those things. So as for this particular blue, you can see here now, this particular design is layer or top of layer. So let's take, for instance, let's delete this container. You see there's a container behind this particular container. That container is blue. So during this designing of the container, so what you're going to do is just, what you're going to do here is, if you want to change the color, so I want to change the color, sorry, not coming back. Okay, yes, it's back. So what I'll do is copy this box, copy, then you do what, delete, then click this container now, then change the color of this container, then come here now, and then paste. So that thing will come back. You can see that this particular color changed. That's how you can do it, because this is a container on top of container. So you can do the same thing for this one. So let's copy and delete, come to this container. So I just show you how you can change some colors there, because most of you will like to rebrand. And once you are done, click here, paste. So you can see, so this angle now, the same thing you are going to do here. So you can see I just changed the whole color, then I'll publish. You can do this for this one too. So that's how you can change colors of anything. You can change any color. You can rebrand this particular website. So if you don't want this particular, the whole background to be black, just come back. No, I added the background color to be black. Just come back here and then change the background color to white. Change it to white. Change it to white. Publish. And once you are done publishing, you refresh this particular page. So you can see everything is normal. So everything is normal right now. So that's how you can change everything. Or you can change it to, you can change the color to the color that it was using. If I think it was blue, or just that's how you can change the colors. So if you have watched to this point, I want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share and like this video. Then if you encounter any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. I will fix it. I'll reply to your comment, and I will make a video to fix your issue and publish it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.